Pakiusap sa Dito Goles ang pinakamalakas sa palakpak para po sa inyong mga magulang ng magulang. Palakpakan natin sila na lakas. Sa ating welcome address po ay nais ko po sabihin sa inyo na bilang member po ng Sangguniang Lungsod at chairman ng Committee on Education ay tuwang-tuwa po makasama sa kauna-unahang graduation exercise ng PCC at masasabi ko sa inyo ang Board of Trustees sa inyo. Siyempre si Dr. Ad Maglayan, nandiyan po si C.M. Roger at through the leadership of Mayor Eric Lumares, we really work hard para marating natin itong araw na ito. Palakpakan po natin yan. At sa mga patulis ko dito, mga estudyante, natuloy mo ko nila. May dito dito po natin tayo at Mayor nagtatrabaho palalo para yung institution ng education ng po ng PCC ay marating po tayo. Palakpakan po natin yan.
Of course, very hardworking professors, college administrator, Dr. Ad Maglayan. Our city administrator is here, according to care and our resource speaker, our honorable also, Michael, and my distinguished colleagues with our service, headed by our very hardworking Vice Mayor, Joanne Villaferri. Our chairman of the Committee on Education at City Council, our Vice Mayor and our City Councilor, Dito Goles. Chairman of the Committee on Health, Councilor T. Estrada. Our guests, ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I'd like to congratulate once again our 693 graduates, finally, after 4 years, 4 years of pursuing their activities. So, I would like to ask the graduates of Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship to stand up to be recognized.
To our commencement speaker, our good friend, the Consul from the Kingdom of Jordan, Consul Michael Alejandro An. To our very hardworking Mayor, Mayor Eric Pedron Naviganes, our Vice Mayor Joanne Villaferri, Councilor T. Estrada, our chairman of the Committee on Education of the City Council, my good friend, our former Vice Mayor, Councilor Nico Goles. To our City Administrator, Attorney Voltaire de la Cruz. And of course, our School Administrator, Dr. Maglayan. And all of the members of Board of Trustees, palapakan po natin. Sa lahat po ng ating mga faculties, sa lahat ng ating mga non-teaching staff, sa lahat po ng ating mga magulang, ladies and gentlemen, isang pagpupay at pagbati po mula sa inyong balik na isang maganda at isang magandiyos na para sa atin. Piliin po natin, pinagkakita po natin ang ating mga
Dalman Wilson C. Garambin Lindsay Claire L. Darin Charmaine D. Garrido Margaret Alexandra A. Garzon Mark Anthony F. Jalolo John Logan Erasol. Gerardo Mary Shell T. Ticos Dolly L. Glorioso Elizabeth S. Olorina Ali. Gonzaga Janela E. Gonzalez Matthew H. Gonzalez Charmaine G. Wab Lloyd C. Guarte Ronami A.